up, guys? I'm back. I know it's been a little while, but I want to start dropping more videos and be a little bit more consistent. I got a 350Z here. I want to show y'all. It's mainly completely stock right now. So before I start doing any mods and building this, I want to show y'all how it looks stock. So right now, like I said, it's basically completely stock still. These are the headlights it came with. Right now it's only missing a few things like the fog lights down here or the reflectors, but I think I'm going to add the fog lights there. I might add a lip to the front. About the height, I don't know. I might go, further down the road and put some coilovers on or something, but I kind of like the fitment right now with the factory wheel setup, size 18. I kind of like the way that looks with a little bit of gap, but not too much. So the aftermarket rims might be around the same size. So right here, I only got to change the covers to the mirror. There's a couple scratches right here, but I'm going to do some aftermarket covers. I had the car probably about like 2 months now. It came without the emblem right here, so I just added the Z. I kind of try to keep it mainly factory for now, so that way I can start vlogging and showing you guys each mod that I do. So back here, the wheels, basically the same setup, 18 all around. It didn't switch anything up, so that's why I kind of like that about it. I do plan on changing the rear lights right now. It might be probably the first or second mod that I do. I don't know. But back here, I kind of only added the lip, the carbon fiber lip. I guess you could call it like a mini ducktail. This is the only thing that I really did. There's the passenger side. Maybe the same thing. It's kind of a little weird how they put like the gas tank on this side of the car, because I'm kind of used to American cars, everything is on that side of the driver's side. So, but it takes some getting used to. Still like the car. Then you got the back window wipers on this one. Everything kind of plain on this side, still black, chilling. But let's hop inside and see how the inside look factory. So this is the inside. This one mainly black and gray. The seats are leather. It's kind of a little bit of wear and tear because the car is 2008. But for the most part, it's still clean. Everything is good, nothing wrong. The aftermarket radio I added probably like a couple weeks ago. Because I still have the factory radio, but I was getting a little tired of it. You needed some Bluetooth. Right now, though, I still love this steering wheel. So I probably won't change it like everybody else do, because it's just a different feeling, and I like the Z in the middle. I love it. But the meters are right here for the oil, the volts, for the battery. I have it set up so I can see my miles per hour right here, and the same clusters are right here in the front, but gas amount, everything right here. Vents all right here. They have the Z, which you can see it on this side. They have the Z right in the vent. I like that a lot. And then for all of the other controls like heating and windows and AC, all right here. Right now it's it's winter here where I'm at, so I got the heat on. There is no glove department here, but the glove department is behind the seats. So you can see a couple different things right here, one here, and then the main glove department is behind the passenger seat. It is a lot of space in there, but it's kind of hard to get to when you're here by yourself and you got to move the passenger seat and then get in there. So that's kind of the one thing I don't like about it, but other than that, it's good. You got some storage space here. Probably feel like 2 water bottles, maybe like 4 Snickers or something. But you got this space right here, keep a couple things, essentials. And then, there's no sunroof, but you got, your option right here for your shades. And then the lights and then the seats. They are heated seats, so the controls are right here for the driver's seat. And then for the passenger seat, you can go lower, you can go high. But, they're there, the options are there. The seats are automatic, so right here you can move the seat back and forth, or you can move the back, front, and back, however you like it. And then, for the most part, that's mainly it. So let's hop out the inside and let me show you what the button under here. You kind of got to click it and lift at the same time. So it's kind of tricky, but it works. So for the trunk, it is a good amount of space. It does get low since the back windshield comes down. So it kind of gets low. You don't want to put anything high back here, crack your windshield. But for the most part, it's a little bit of space. It's a 2-seater, so you're not gonna really plan on going food shopping or anything in the car like this. But right here, you know what I mean, the space right here, and then back here for fast access, you know, if you're in the driver's seat, you can throw something back here real quick and then grab it to go. But this is the support bar right here is kind of in the middle, so it's like you can't really put anything that's too big. Like you could probably put like a duffel bag on this side and then a couple things in the front. You know, right now I keep you know what I mean, I keep some Crocs back here. That's really it. And then if I'm on the go, I'll throw something back there. But that's it for the back. Let's go and show you guys what under the hood looking like. Y'all probably know this is the VQ HR motor, the VQ35. So it is the double throttle body one. It has 2 air filters, which I do plan on changing and putting 2 cold air intakes. The ones that I want are kind of like stainless steel, and then they go deeper in, so kind of further down to get more cold air. I do kind of want to change this right here, the stabilizer bar basically, and put a better aftermarket one. I've seen. I might try to keep the factory colors going on, you know, like the silver and the black, because I kind of like that. For the most part, like I said, everything is factory, so I haven't changed anything motor-wise yet or added anything. There are a couple mods I want to do, but like I said, I'm going to vlog all that, keep you guys updated, and try to see what you guys think I should do to it too, because first I kind of want to make it go faster, and then after that, worry about everything else. But for the most part, this is it. I added a little LED strip, that's really it. You know, just to get a little bit more lighting at nighttime. It do get dark down here, but for the most part, that's it. Everything is factory. That's kind of it for right here, but I want to show you guys how the car sounds. I really didn't do anything. I kind of bought it like that. The guy said he only did a muffler delete, so it sounds alright, but I do want to do my exhaust, the full system, and get the cleaner sound. But for the most part, it is loud, it sounds good, so I want to show you guys how that sounds. So I'm gonna wrap it up now. I gave you a full walkthrough, so right now, hopefully you guys, like the video, subscribe, and keep in touch with me. Let me know what you guys think I should do to it, what I shouldn't do. I'm open to all options. As you know, you guys know what these 350Zs are known for, so let me give you guys a little taste so we can end this video, and from there on, we're gonna keep it going.
Tell me, is you bothered about it? Is you bothered about it? Tell me, is you bothered about it? Is you bothered about it? We been running barefooted, waiting for the fence on. Even though I got a hoe, still gotta keep chrome. Streets hot as shit, like who turn the heat on? Fuck with me, big bro side, like who I gotta beat on? No, for real. Is you bout it, cause we all for real. Don't tell me about no pain, cause my scars ain't healed. Though it's locked in them chains, it bothers still. Cold drops from the rain, felt them chills. Since you